Namaskar. Welcome to Samruddhi Tuition Classes. That means STC Academy Nandgaon Khandeshwar. Today we are going to learn what is meant by quadratic equation and how we can solve it. So let us start. First we have know that what is meant by quadratic equation. Suppose x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 or ax square plus bx plus 7 equal to 0. It is called quadratic equation. Why it is called quadratic equation? Look, here is variable and this is called coefficient. In Marathi it is a chal and it is a sahagunak. Okay, it is index or degree or power. Okay, x variable 1 and here is no power, means here is 1, or here is no power but here is 0 power. Then we can say that in the equation, if there is only one variable, just in this equation there is only one variable, that is x, and maximum index is 2. Here is index 0, so no need of writing it. Here is index 1, no need of writing it, and here is index 2, means maximum index 2 and there is only one variable, then that is called quadratic equation. Okay, understand? Once again, if there is only one variable, means here is two variable, then it is not quadratic equation. For the quadratic equation there should be only one variable, means x or y anything, but here is x and y different variable. First we need only one variable, and second, maximum index should be 2, not more than 2. For example, it is not quadratic equation because index is 3. Okay, now it is clear that what is meant by quadratic equation. The equation should be only one variable and maximum index should be 2, not less than 2, not greater than 2, then that is called quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, it is a general form of quadratic equation. We can write ay square plus by plus c, it is also quadratic equation in general form. In number, for example, 2x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0, it is our quadratic equation because all this equation having only one variable and maximum index is 2. Here is 2, here is 2, here is 2. Here suppose it is a value of a, it is a value of b, and it is a value of c. Okay, you can write any quadratic equation in this form. For example, 3z square plus z plus 4 equal to 0. It is also quadratic equation. Here is z variable and index is 2. 4p square plus 2p plus 6 equal to 0. It is also quadratic equation. Okay. Now it is clear that what is meant by quadratic equation and what is the general form of quadratic equation and how we can write any quadratic equation. Now question is, the question is whether it is quadratic equation or not. Let us see. X square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Our general form is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 1 because here is 1, b equal to 5 and c equal to minus 2. Now look at the x means one variable and here is index 0, index 1 and index 2, and hence it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Let us another example. Y square plus 1 upon y equal to 2. Question is same whether it is quadratic equation or not. Let us see. Y square plus 1 upon y equal to 2. First we have to convert it into the general form. It is fraction. Suppose here is 1, then we have to do cross multiplication. Y multiply y square, we get y cube. 1 multiply 1, 1 and equal to 2. The equation is the same equation, but from this we can't decide whether it is quadratic equation or not. So we have to calculate it first and convert it in the form. Now look, the index is 3 and hence it is not quadratic equation, because for the quadratic equation we require only and only 2 highest index, but here is 3 and hence it is not quadratic equation. Now you can understand that what is the quadratic equation and how we can decide whether it is quadratic equation or not. Look at this. Our question is write the equation in the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That means we have to write the equation into the quadratic equation because it is a general form of quadratic equation. So let us see. 3m square equal to 2m square. It is left hand side and it is right hand side. M square, m square. The same term never be placed on different side. They have to come, their natural tendency to come each other. So write down 3m square, it become minus 2m square plus 9 equal to 0. Then 3m square minus m square means 1m square plus 9 equal to 0. So we can write the equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Determine the value. First is x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0 and x equal to 1 and minus 1. Determine the value. Our equation is x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Obviously it is a quadratic equation, and x equal to 1, also x equal to minus 1. These are two values that is given. We have to determine whether x equal to 1 or minus 1 is the solution of this equation. So first substitute x equal to 1, the given value we should be substitute here x, but x means 1, so write down here 1. 4, x means 1 minus 5 equal to 0. It is our left hand side, it is our right hand side. Now solve it. 1 plus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. 1 plus 4, 5 minus 5, 0. 0 equal to 0 means left hand side equal to right hand side, and hence x equal to 1 is the solution or is the correct value of this equation. Condition is left hand side equal to right hand side. Look another example. Now two m square minus 5m equal to 0 and m equal to 2. We have to determine m equal to 2 is or not the solution of this equation. 2, but m equal to 2, 2 square. 5 m equal to 2, 2 equal to 0. 2 and 4 minus 5 to 10 equal to 0. 2, 4, 8 minus 10 equal to 0 minus 2 equal to 0 means left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and hence it is not solution. Okay, next question. Our question is find k if x equal to 3 is a root of kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Obviously it is a quadratic equation and we have to find out the value of k, and value of x is given, that is 3. So let us see solution. Substitute x equal to 3 in the equation. K, so write down k, x, but x equal to 3, so write down x equal to 3 and square minus 10, here x, but x equal to 3, so write down here 3 plus 3 equal to and 0 0. What we have done? We have put 3 on the place of x because x is 3 is given. 3 square 9 and k, 10 multiply 3 30 plus 3 equal to 0. 9k 27, look, minus 30 plus 3, one is minus, second is plus, so we have to minus 30 and 3, 27, bigger number is minus, so minus, equal to 0. 9k equal to 27 minus, it become plus, then k equal to 27 upon 9 and k equal to 3. It is the value of k, that is 3. It's all about quadratic equation. What I mean by quadratic equation, what is the general form of quadratic equation, and how to calculate quadratic equation. Okay, dear friends, if you have any question, any problems related to any subject, any chapter, then you can call me, you can WhatsApp me. I am always ready and like to guide you. Okay, and also about the career guidance, you can ask me at any time without any cost. And also subscribe our channel STC Academy Nandgaon Khandeshwar, so that you can get the notification of the new videos. Once again, thanks for watching.